Hi everyone! Ako nga lang si Lovella o kaning ako ang kauban diri mao ni si Lucky. Ang plangga man ni nako kayo. Lucky is 8 years old. Golden Retriever. He's turning 9 sa August 13. 9 years old na akong baby. 8 weeks old pa ni siya nga akong nakuha. So ako agyo ning bata. Plangga guni kaayo nako. Nara. First time pag una akong naka-stick, wala gulo, kani, stick. Ya, mag-vlog ko no, hay ko, ganahan ko mag-vlog, ma-appeal ko sa mga vloggers. Ya, karong gabi, mag-vlog po ko sa ako ang panihapon, nagplano na ko nga magluto ko o, si tawag ani, salmon, dayon, syempre naagoy, suka, kay, sa Pilipino, good na, tag-sukaan ng piniritong isda, o kuan, nagluto man kog pinakbet kahapon, so napay sobra, so kana ako nang isa ko muna ako ang kaunon niya. So I hope kaning ako ang vlog awkward pa kaayo ko mag-vlog, di pa ko kabalo kaayo awkward, mura kog na conscious pa aning camera ba, sige smile og ginagmay ya, kung walay camera natural kaayo, pero hopefully abot ra jud ang panahon nga dili na ko ma-awkward. So, mato ko sa tindahan, palit ko og frozen vegetables para lutuon ako sa bawon. Mag-isda. Kaya ganahan ko pinirito nga na sabaw. Okay, hinaan natin diri sa tindahan. Nagtawag na waitress. Automatic door. Ngayon, mapalit ta o vegetables. Asa man ay nga utan na ato sa bawon. Let's see. Spinach, definitely. Spinach. Okay. Spinach. Or kaning mozzarella side salad. Paman bright and colorful. Ay, lamig na ito bright. Ito na lang bright and colorful. Kani ba? Kasabo na ito ni atak. Ay, lamig na kayo. Yeah, this one. Soup. Sa magbuhaw na ako. Stir fry. Buhaon ako. Bagay sa ibubayad ko. So, muna ni ang akong utan. Ako rin sa bawon pagluto og salmon. Dami na siya i-apil sa baw pinili. So dira empanada para karong gabi og dira ang among salmon og ato na ning prituton. Yup. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay, there you go. Okay, ugmaon ang atong sabawon. Sabawon, ibutang na ito diri sa pan. So, okay, and then we need it's not here. It's this one that I am looking for, Monsha. Chicken bouillon. So, usara ka chicken bouillon sa manik siya. So, galuto na ta o salmon na pinilito. Ito muna na. Okay. Taso. Munagpik ang mantika. Akong gisabaw na utan. Bouillon, chicken bouillon na pinita. Kaya na ato ang rice. Kanin pinakbet ato ni inipon. O dira ang bata nga gahulat sa iyang pagkaon. And of course, nadyo na akong suka. My vinegar for my fish. Dili jud pwede walay vinegar. Dara, among panihapon. Empanada na hinatag sa silingan, sabaw, pinakbet, rice, fish, o kana, hinatag sa silingan o sabaw. Okay, bon appetito. Welcome to my first vlog ever in my life. And here is the delicious one that were given to us by Dora. And this one too. So we're gonna try it now. Go on, Michael. Have some.
Okay. Yes.
We have soup.
Fish. I'm going to start with the soup, actually.
We're like a Japanese style soup, vegetable soup. Let me try this one. Mmm, yummy, yummy. And fish. We're like the Japanese style here. Fish. Mmm, yummy, yummy. And of course this. I'm gonna try. I already tried it earlier. I'm gonna eat it. Mmm, wonderful. And this one.
That's very good.
I will try it. Wait, holding a phone and this one is a bit difficult. So, yum, yum, yum. Really good. Really, really good. So, I'm waiting for Michael's reaction.
That is very good. Very nice.
I didn't even eat a lot of it yet. So you have to eat the middle one to taste it fully.
I did.
You just tasted the dough.
Yeah, I'm quite waiting for it.
Sana. We combine this one and this one together.
It's hot, but it's very good.
Hot. Yeah. Hot. Nga, manihapon pa. May akong panihapon. Hapit na maurot. Sabaw. Salmon. Hinatag sa silingan. Rice. Pinakbet. Empanada hinatag sa silingan. Ug akong suka para sa ako ang fish. Okay, this is a feedback forum. Oops. Wait. Just making sure that my phone does not go down to the floor level. Okay, feedback forum.
It's all very
She
nice.
said that the pasties were dry because she ran out of butter. That's what she said.
They're fine. They're nice.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm going to have a second one. There you go.
Yeah. See?
And the sauce is very nice too. I must admit, I didn't actually pick out
Sauce is
anchovies.
almost gone.
Why is it just me in the video?
Oh yeah, me too, me too. Because I'm enjoying my food. And there is Lucky complaining. He's already eaten. Yeah, yeah. Come here, come here. Oh, but you can't see because of my bowl. Okay. Bon appetito. With the sauce. There. There it is. Oh my god. Nom, 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 nom. Halika. Down, down. Down, down.